Would you believe me if I told you I could fit my entire body through a note card? Fold your card in half and make a cut about 1 centimeter from the edge of the card. Be sure to cut from the folded edge side. Unfold the note card and cut along the folded edge. Fold the note card back in half. Take your scissors and make another cut on the opposite side of your first cut. Space the cut about 1 centimeter from the first cut. Flip sides and continue cutting until you reach the other end. Carefully open your note card and ta-da! Look at that! I can get it around my head without any problem now. The note card is 4 by 6 inches, which gives us a total of 24 square inches to work with. When we cut the paper this way, it stays connected and allows us to redistribute the paper in a different way. What's the biggest object you can put your paper ring around? And remember, until next time, keep learning, full steam ahead.